Hello everyone. In previous video we implement find all products and save method. In this video we are going to implement rest of the method. So now we are going to implement find by id. So just declare a method public response. This method also returns the product object. And this method takes the input parameter as an integer. Product service.find by id and pass the id. Okay, now just set this product object to the response. Response.set, you can say that product as product. So now return the response. So find by id will retrieve the records. So the request mapping method type is get, because we are fetching the record based on a particular id. So just annotate with request mapping. Value in curly braces we add id. Okay, so this id we are going to retrieve from the url. So we are using one annotation which is called as path variable. This annotation will read the data from the url. Just pass the id. Now start your server. Go to the browser and just type localhost. First we will retrieve the list. So just make duplicate tab. Now just remove the list from here and add the id. Let's say 1003. Just it. So the server return the product with a specified id. Here we provide the 1003, so it returns that Nokia. If you provide a 1005, then see it provides a RAM. and if you provide the id which is not present in our map, then it will provide a null. See, so in this way you can implement that find by id method. Now our next method is to update our resource. So for update we are using the http put method. We just declare the method public response. This method also returns product object. So response will take the product and give the name as update. This method will take the two parameters, one is integer and second one is a product. Okay, so you just copy this response object here also. So declare a product instance here, p service dot update, and pass the id and product, and just set the product object in your response and return the response. Return response and annotate the method with a request mapping annotation. Value is equals to okay. We are not going to use here a path variable, so we are use another annotation which is a request param. So this also read the data from the URL. We just provide a method as put. So put is used to update the resource if resource is present, otherwise it will create a new resource. Okay, so just provide an annotation, a request param, and pass the id. This is actually alias name, and we are passing with the actual object in a request body. Request body. Okay, so okay, now just open the Postman, because browser is only allows you to get request, but for post, put and delete request we need a Postman. Now just duplicate a tab. Okay, now just go to the body and we just update the existing resource first. So on 1002 ID there is a Apple 14, so we just change it. One zero zero two, give the name as Apple 12 and change the value to 90,000 and quantity to, let's say, 4. Okay, this is the body, that is our object, that product object. Now we are using the request parameter, so we need to provide a parameter in a URL. So whenever you use the request parameter, you need to specify the URL like this way. So just give a question mark, then alias name, that is ID, equals to, and just provide the specific ID. Okay, and you need to change the method to put. Now just send the request. See, the status code is 200. Okay, and now Apple 12 is updated. Just check this thing. So we refresh here, so see, and now we reload our list also. See, this is changed to the Apple 12. Now we can also check whenever the resource is not present, or whenever the product is not present in the database here in our map, then at that time put method will create that resource, means it will insert that record to the map. So just for example, here we have only 5 records, right, and 1006 record is not present. So what we can do, we just provide the ID as a 1006. Okay, and we provide here null, and here we provide some index subwoofer and provide the value as a 4000 and give the quantity as 7. Okay, now this product is not present in our list, so I just send the request. See, this time the resource is created, that means the product is inserted in our map. So just check here, see, the one product is inserted in our list. Okay, and if you call the find by ID, so you will get that particular product. Okay, now the last operation is delete operation. So we just write a method public response just we provide a string delete, and it takes the integer id as a parameter, and just call the service dot remove. Just copy the response object and create here also and change it to string. Okay, just make one string set that string to the response object and return the response. Now we need to annotate this method with http delete method. So just annotate request mapping, provide a value, we are going to use here path variable again, so just provide the id and method is delete, and just give the annotation as a @path variable and give the license id. Now we are going to test our method. Just open the Postman, open the duplicate tab, now we are using a path variable, so our URL is like that. Okay, and our method is a delete method. We first check our list. So see, in our list we have a 5 products. Okay, and we are going to delete that 1002. So choose the method as a delete and just send the request. See, record with 1002 deleted successfully. So just check. See, one record is gone, and if you fetch that record with a ID, you will get the null response. See, so in this way you can implement the CRUD operation in your RESTful web services. That's that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.